Hey all, I'm here with my brand new to me 2023 Mazda CX-30. I got a super great deal on this vehicle with very low miles. And I love the way this car is appointed, the way it's styled, and the way it performs. I want to show you how you can fill in this gap on the lower bumper with the same type of material that's on the upper bumper. I'll put a link in the description below for where I got the product from Amazon and how you perhaps can check it out too. This is a very simple, easy, and quick fix that I want to show you here today, so let's get to it. You'll only need a few little items in order to get this job done. I have zip ties, I have little snippers, I have the new inserts that I got from Amazon, and also alcohol pad wipes that come with the product. So the first step you have to do, take out an alcohol wipe and clean the area. This is super duper important. Clean everything from top to bottom, all the edges and everything, because you want to make sure that there's no, number one, debris, and also any oils or wax or anything like that that's going to prevent it sticking. Now, I did a dry fit here just to make sure I had the correct insert on the correct side, and you'll know if it's right or not because it only fits one way because of the shape of the outside edge of the insert. Here's the fun part, peeling that little protective strip off to reveal the glued side. And you do that, and then now you just have to fit it in. So I made sure that the outside part was the first part that I connected to the vehicle because of the exposure and the edge. Then after I did that, just push down all the sides. I pushed down the bottom, I pushed down the sides, I pushed down the top, just to make sure that that was as maximum adhesion as possible. Then look at that. It is super sticky, and I did this extra step. Some people said you might want to attach some zip ties in there just to give it some little insurance to make sure that it holds. And that's what I did too. Not really hard, but I think it's worth it just having that little peace of mind. And the zip ties just attached to the little vertical bar that's behind the insert. And next I just did the same thing for the other side. 1, 2, 3, zip, 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 and we are done. Check that out. I am so satisfied. I love how it matches the upper grille. I absolutely love it. So there you have it. In just a few minutes, I was able to put a lower grille into the car that matched the top part of the grille. It was so easy, so simple, and not very expensive at all. Remember, there's a link in the description of where you can get this product yourself. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe, and also check out some of my other DIY videos I have on my DIY playlist. I'll see you next time.